Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, good people? It's your girl KB. You know what I do and you know why I do it. It's Tuesday. It's August 22nd and it is 2:44 in the a.m. Check this out. As I was driving into work this morning, this thought popped into my head. You know, after I did the shout out to the kids in my life, this thought. You know, I want to dispel a myth, and it's a lie from the pit of hell, and many of us embrace it, and you've heard it preached in various forms by many mainstream ministers. And you know, I am in the process of kind of making us look at some of the things that come from the pulpit that are contrary to gospel. You know, and I may get a lot of pushback and a lot of blowback about my opinion, but it is, just like I said, my opinion. Okay, so this lie that we tell ourselves and that you hear being preached is that we outgrow people. There's no such thing as outgrowing people. Either you love somebody or you don't. You know, we talk about lukewarm Christians, but we never talk about lukewarm friendships, lukewarm relationships. And that's because you're not fully committed. Bottom line. Oh, so-and-so was in my life for a season. No, so-and-so was in your life to tell you about you, and you didn't like what you heard, so they were in your life for a season. Or so-and-so gave you some information that challenged you, and you didn't want to release whatever it is that you were holding on to, so so-and-so was in your life for a season. Friends love at all times, folks. We are commanded and called to love. Above all else, love ye one another. And it didn't put any terms or any parameters on it. Oh, I can love them from a distance. Christ loved the people who persecuted him. He knew what was going to happen because he was in sync with God his Father. Just like we can have that same insight, but it does not diminish or dispel the call to love. Amen. And that love can change a heart. But, you know, here we go. Temporal and transactional is how we approach love. We approach love from a self-centered standpoint. You know, as long as there's something in it that's beneficial to me, I'm in it. You know, I quit working on it, or I never worked on it because it was too much work. Somebody took the time with you. Think about that. Somebody showed grace to you. Think about that. Somebody was willing to take the time to discuss the false character defects and flaws that showed up and love you through them. They didn't co-sign it. They weren't quiet about it. They loved you through it. Amen. Just a little food for thought. So when you hear such and such was in my life for a season, how does it line up with 1 Corinthians 13? How does it line up with love ye one another? How does it line up with greater love have no man than to lay down his life for his brother? There's no definition of brother. We are all interconnected and we all make this work.